All right, lesson 4.4. Euler circuits. That word is pronounced Euler, E-U-L-E-R. That is the name of a famous mathematician, Leonard Euler, who figured out how to determine if a circuit or a path are definable, and we'll talk about what circuits and paths are, if you have a map or a graph and you're trying to navigate your way through it. So, first thing we should define is what is a circuit and what is a path. I know I'm doing a lot of scrolling here. Circuit is, like, think about the word circuit and how you may have used that word in the past. A circuit is anything that flows from an origin throughout the entire map or diagram or figure or whatever and arrives back at its original origin. So a circuit is a pathway that starts and ends at the same exact place. Has the same start, end. Pathway that has the same start and end. Okay. Not only that, but it only passes through each point one time as well. So you don't repeat any points. Okay. You don't repeat any paths. You basically just go through the entire map or diagram. You start at one spot, you go through the entire thing, and you end at that same exact spot. That's a circuit. A path is kind of the same, but it has different start and end points. So a path is a pathway that has different start and end points. It still goes through the entire map, through the entire diagram, but you're not going to be able to wind up at your original origin. Because again, the requirement of when you do these is that you're only allowed to pass through each point, or only allowed to pass over each road one time. Okay? So take a look at this diagram right here. Ready? I'll zoom in a little. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 vertices, 4 points, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 7 edges. Okay? So we're going to pick a point, and it doesn't matter which point. I'm just going to pick this point. We're going to start there, and we're going to see if we could trace through this entire diagram and wind up back at that original point. Okay? If we could, then it's a circuit. If we wind up at a different point, then it's a path. Okay? Now the requirement again is you can't trace over the same line twice. So let's start going this way. Maybe we go through this point here, we loop around, come back through. You could pass through the same point twice, but you can't pass over the same line twice. Now there's only one way to go here. We gotta go this way now. Now we have a decision to make. Do we go up or left? Well, it looks like if we go up, we're not going to be able to get back. We're not going to be able to get back and get to this line here in red, because then we would have to trace over the same line twice, which means this thing fails. That we weren't able to trace over that piece. And no matter which direction you went, it would always fail, this map. Okay, so this is not a circuit, nor is it a path. It's neither a circuit nor path. Okay? We'll stop this video here and pick up the next one now.